Greetings, everyone. So this is Ajoa Yemaya. I have not been around in such a long time. I wanted to bring back the series, Farming is Not My Hobby, It's My Business. So I am here with Tannur Ali of iLogic and Solomon's Garden. She's both. I forgot that quickly. So she's here. She's a wonderful woman, wonderful person. We're both wonderful women.
Ashe.
Boom, boom.
Ashe.
So we wanted to have an open discussion about this topic. So here it is, and here it goes. So what we were speaking about just recently, it's the social media fad of gardening, and I think we can go back to, I don't know. We want to go back to COVID because you have been in business for like 5 to 6 years plus. We're in 2025. COVID happened in 2020, and a lot of people have monetized on literally gardening. People have monetized on social media by literally homesteading, off-gridding. Even just having chickens. That was a whole thing. The eggs, remember that?
I do. I do.
It went from toilet tissue to freaking eggs.
So ain't nobody got no mullen, and ain't nobody really got no chickens,
and we still sick.
Watch that.
Watch it. So my problem was that, as even though we're gardening and farming, I still think that people are still overusing.
Caught up in the rapture of faith. False.
We had the conversation earlier about how, okay, if you have 4 family members, how much do you really need to grow?
Not much.
Not much.
2 pepper plants.
2 pepper plants.
1 tomato plant.
Okay.
What, 1? Maybe 2 collard plants?
Yeah, because those collards will grow.
Grow.
Multiple seasons.
What? And then you also doing turnips? You also doing mustards? You're not doing lettuce, baby. Let's not pretend. You're not doing spinach,
or
baby.
spinach.
Let's not
pretend. I grew that spinach because the insects got my spinach real good. Yeah. But I will say again, it's a blessing to grow from seed. However, I understand that we're monetizing on social media. Even with the whole ban on TikTok, I can care less because I got off TikTok and I
ain't never been on it.
Yeah. So there was somebody constantly flagging my stuff on TikTok. Really? They flagged every time I posted, flagged.
They was probably in an RV trying to find some farm to be on.
I don't know, but when I say I got tired of fighting back with the flagger, I just said I'm done. I just deleted my account and I was like, I'm so over it. So like it was like my short little stint on TikTok. But yeah, just to tick like the social media fame. I'm gonna say fame. We're gonna stick with Facebook, Instagram, and we can say a little bit of X. People are on there.
I've never been on there, but like I hear it's a thing. So
it's a thing. I like to post a little content on there, and like because Black Twitter is a thing. But we'll go with the Instagram famous and the Facebook famous. We'll go with that. But
and X, you on there, so I feel like it's legit to go about it. I just can't speak on it.
Yeah. Well, so like the whole point was for me to get on Facebook. I'm an agribusiness management specialist. I'm a part-time farmer.
Wait, say it again.
I'm an agribusiness management specialist, consultant.
In real life.
In real life. So no, you're not going to see me farming all day, every day. What I should start showing y'all is the keyboards.
That part. Because how you farm the cash?
How do you farm?
How do you farm the commentary? How do you farm the communication?
How do you pay them? How do you pay your consultants? How do you pay your accountants? How do you pay the people that work for you? Because people are not working for free, and we should not be asking for free labor all the time. And you guys need to watch it with the volunteering as LLCs. Hint, hint. Bink, bink.
Listen, in real life.
In real life.
But also, I'm going to say, because, I'm as far as some people who've been to my land and participated in my programs would say, I'm a motherfucking slave driver. And I want to speak on that piece.
Speak on it.
Because people don't value the information they're receiving. Oftentimes.